Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Reaching Riches here. So today we're gonna recap the trades of QDTE and XDTE from RoundHill. This is gonna be going over the week of the 19th, or the trade week of 19th to the 25th. And as you can see already, it's a short week because of Juneteenth, which was a holiday, so we really only got 4 trading days in here. All right. So let's just get right into it. So let's go look at QDTE. Let's see what they did with their long calls. So you can see here holiday, and then their shares, or their deep in the money calls went from 19 contracts all the way up to 25. So we got more inflows, a lot more inflows. And as you can see here on the 25th, the outstanding shares went from 730,000 all the way to 930,000. So pretty big jump. And then as you can see here, our strike is 1696. That's our deep in the money strike. And then this is what we think the Flex NDX is priced at, which we think is just a scale down of regular NDX. That would put us $273 in the money, and we'd be making, if we were to sell these calls now, they would profit us $682,000. So pretty good there. All right, and then let's go into XDTE. So here we started off the week with 23 contracts and ended it with 30 contracts. So added 7 contracts total. Still have the same 420.69 deep in the money call right here. You can see that. And the Flex SPX is at about 547, which means we are about $126 or $126, almost 127 in the money. And our total profit if sold today would be about 380,000. So we can see the outstanding shares also started at 235,000 and bumped up to 255. So some growth there. All right, so let's go into the trades. So here again, that holiday, so we only have 4 trading days. All right, so let's go ahead and start revealing. All right, so the 20th, 19 contracts, collected $33,000. It looks like it's a win. All right, so we had a strike of 20,020, and it closed below our strike at 19,752. All right, so full profit there. And this one was a little weird. They went all to XND for 2,200 contracts. So let's go and see how they did there. All right, so review. Wait. Sorry, I think this formula is a little messed up. I think it needs to reference 6. Sorry about that. Let me update this one. Sorry, it's still referencing NDX, not XND. Okay, there we go. All right, so now let's reveal. So 2,200 contracts, collecting $26,400, and it's a win. So we had a strike of 198, and it closed below our strike at 197. So full profit day there. All right, so let's go to the next day. This is the 24th. All right, so 22 contracts, collected 64,000. That's a big day right there, and it's a win. So 19,710 was our strike, and it closed below our strike at 19,400. 54.74. All right, 3 for 3. Can we go 4 for 4? Let's see. So let's go ahead and review. So 22 contracts again, collected 54,000. All right. Oh, we took our first loss. So we had a strike of 19,630, and it closed above our strike at 19,700. So $70 above our strike. So cost to close was 156,000, and we only collected 54. So our net profit loss was negative $102,000. Damn. Wow. Okay, that wiped out almost everything. All right. So as we can see here, the running profit loss, we walked away with making 21,000, almost 22,000 here. And we collected $178,000 in premium. And if we look at the current outstanding shares, it's 1.14 million. So we can see that here too. So it did jump up a ton since last week. So we got a huge amount of inflows. So we'll see how that plays out in our dividend here. And we are also at a 67.5% win rate. So not bad, not bad. All right, so let's go and see how much we are gonna get paid this week. So 1140000. Oof, man. Oh man. All right, so 16 cents is what we'll be looking at. So wow, okay. We'll get into that when we do the analysis here. All right, so let's go into XDTE. So again, there's that holiday. All right, let's go ahead and reveal the first trade. So 23 contracts, collected $8,400, and it's a win. So 55.10 was our strike. It closed below our strike at 54.73. All right, next day, 25 contracts, collected 21,000. That's a big day. All right, and it's a win. So 54.75 is our strike, and it closed at 54.64. All right, so another full profit day. All right, and this is the 24th. 25 contracts, collected 12,425, and it's another win. 3 for 3 so far. All right, so strike at 54.75, close at 54.47. Can we go 4 for 4? Let's go ahead and see. So 25 contracts, collected 10,425, and it's a win. So our strike at 54.70, and it closed at 54.69. So full profit week. All right. All right. So let's see. So our running profit loss up 52,991. And let's go see our div. So let's put this in. We're looking at 17 cents on XDTE, and we are at a 69.77% win rate, which is really good. All right, so let's go over here. So XDTE, QDTE, 16 cents is what we're looking at. And I think that's really due to the inflows here and us losing that one day, because I think that one day would have put us over 200,000, which would have gave us a few more cents in extra profits. But a lot of inflows this week. All right, so if we go here, we're looking at, like I said, 16 cents. We are actually profitable this week. We can net that against our losses. Our total losses on calls right now is 449,000 is our running profit loss. So negative 449,000. All right. So right now we are still looking at a 26 cent average dividends. So if you want to do your own calculations, you can use this number. And total since inception, they paid out $3.74 in dividends. All right, so let's go look at XDTE. 17 cents here for this week's estimate, and we are only down $6,000, so that is really good. Total divs paid is almost $3. It's $2.82, and our average dividend here is 20 cents. So you can use that in your calculations for that. All right. So this week they're changing up the declaration a little bit, because if you looked here, they were going Wednesday to Wednesday. So 26 was our last declaration, and they are actually declaring tomorrow. So likely we will probably see them actually declare today after market close. Usually it happens sometime between 5 and 6 p.m. Pacific time. I guess we're on PST, so that's when I'll see it. But yeah, since they're declaring tomorrow, we'll likely see it today. And then they're going back to, I think, Wednesday declarations. So it's just this week that we're declaring on a Tuesday. So just that to keep in mind. And then looks like just Wednesday declarations the rest of the week, or sorry, rest of the month. Yeah. Okay. So that's what we're looking at here for declarations. And then let's go into Seeking Alpha. This is the last thing on the show. So this is the chart between QDTE, QQQ, and QQQY. Total return since RoundHill's inception, so March 7th. So as we can see here, QDTE is up 6.43%, QQQ is up 7.87%, and QQQY is up 6.56%. So it's slightly higher than QDTE by about 10 basis points or so, a little over 10 basis points. But they are pretty much neck and neck right now, total return wise. But if you were to look at share price wise, QQQY is way down, but they have much higher distributions, which is what makes up for their total return. Alright, so let's go into XDTE. So XDTE has been killing it. So XDTE is up 5.88%, or SPY is up 6.38%, and JEPY is up 5.45%. So it is up against JEPY, so about 40 basis points higher than JEPY. So it's a pretty good amount. So yeah, so it is. This strategy is right now beating JEPY, which is really good. And then yeah, the Qs are pretty much neck and neck. But I thought that was really interesting. Total return again at inception, which is March 3rd till today. All right. So that's all I had for you guys today. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are down below in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit that like. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And that's all I had for you guys today. I'm out.